Hi everyone, welcome to English with Helen. In this first part of a two-part video, we're going to talk about verbs. What is a verb? Well, there are lots of different kinds of verbs, but today we're focusing on action verbs. Here are some examples. We're going to focus on the verb visit today. Here we can see in the base form how we use it in the present and how we use it in the past. Now you might be wondering where my friend Ted is today. Well, last month he visited America. You can see that when we use the verb with the past, we add ed on the end. Right now though, Ted is still on holiday. Ted is visiting Lisbon. Here we can see the verb in the continuous form. We've got ing on the end. The continuous form is used to talk about a temporary ongoing situation, although there's nothing temporary about Ted's holidays, so it seems. It's important to remember when we use the continuous that we also have the verb to be. We're going to look at more of this in part 2 of the video. Bye for now.